Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Me, I started to talk. Now, me be Odion Amama for Ogiso, the youth leader of Ogiso. Since then, Kotisugbo and Willow not let Ogiso rest. They will bring Oba Moto, come Ogiso, come they seize wheelbarrow, mola, shovel, till they pack people searching for sight. And these are the things where Omonoba stop. Make them not go cycle and seize people something. He cancel CDA. And at the same Oba Moto now, when you about talk, and at the same Oba Moto, then they come community now, because community, because they seize people property. They will see generator at one certain time. So that for police, they send them. They can't Oba Moto come Ogiso, come seize the molar, shovel, wheelbarrow, some other things, so many things. That way they call it settle them. Once they reach palace, they will settle them. And this matter, so between me and Awilo, it dey high court theory. And Awilo come, he said that Papa gets all the land for Ogiso. Carry boy, they shoot gun, they rob people. Now I look say where authority there's law in this country. Now go report to police. File share against am, carry enter court. Ogiso na still get the survey. Be Oba land still dey. He dey inside the survey plan there. Oba land wey dey Ogiso is 500 by 500. Where our papa dey protect the elders of Ogiso, dey protect before they late. But so they tell us say here na Oba land. Move not allow anybody enter. That was the protector. Even since when I started to protect this Oba land, even somebody that will arrest me because of this Oba land. He puts out, they are not let them enter. He sell that land to Agrican before. I drive Agrican come for them, say that place belongs to the traditional land. Frakilabo, Awilo, Kotisugbo, and Mr. Charles, Oba Savio, they come meet me for house. Say, we are Oba land. They say that they take that, say yes. Now carry them. Go show them the Oba land. After I don't show them the Oba land finish, the next day, they start to call them other places where build houses on their own. Say that Oba send them. Say they call it settle them. This November 12th, a day has when they tell me say they don't see carry Oba motor come inside bush or they see people something. I say Oba cannot send these people. Oba don't stop all these people they do so these people. For this, the carry Oba motor they come, community come they seize, wheelbarrow, mola, this thing. Oba don't send them. They spoil Oba name. Now we take call police from SCG. Take go there. Say, when police come ask them, why? As they see police, see me the next thing, they start to follow me the fight. Buckle me, push me enter Oba palace motor. Force me enter, start to follow me, you cutlass they massacre me, beat me, carry me go palace. Awilo with Kotisugbo. Get it to palace. Awilo with Kotisugbo, they start to use blow with Chike and others of the Awilo boys. They are more than 15 to 20. They start to beat me. They search all my pockets. More than 25,000 naira wey dey my pocket. Me no know who take am among all of them now because when they beat me, me no know where me dey again. They discharge my pockets. My wristwatch, they take everything. My necklace, they cut am. I don't get necklace. My gold necklace, they take am. I have to run down. When I say that they beat me, I have to run down to close to the Oba house. There, where some elders dey say, Oba mat, Oba word dey my mouth o, Oba word dey my mouth o. They wan kill me o. For police wey dey protect Benin people, na here they wan kill me. Na say I don go there. I don go there na lie o. They come there again, come carry me comot. They say make DSS when they make arrest me. DSS say no fit arrest me again. Say because he beat me, they don't beat me so. Maybe not go die for road for a hand. He say no go arrest me. Like Awulo Kontisubo come again, they carry me go the CSO Oba office wey be CSO for Oba Palace there. They carry me go your office. Getting to that place, now tell the CSO say, no, you and Frank Irabor and Mr. Charles, all of them come Oguso. I showed Oba land. What did happen? You mean with them, Awulo Kontisubo, they don't come again. Carry me, force me out of the man office, took me to the field. That's also they beat me. See my hand. Now, let's do this one. See my face. Kontisubo, Awulo now blow this my eyes so. See my mouth. Kontisubo now blow me. Kontisubo have already reported this matter to AIG. AIG call am. Make go show the Oba land. He run. He go state CID. Go that petition for anti-vice. He run for anti-vice for AIG. He run go anti-vice for state CID. Go that petition again. Say Oba land wey dey there. Say Oguso people don't enter. Oba land wey dey there, Oguso people don't enter. Na me dey protect Oba land, na me dey gather. I don become watchnet to Oba land. I be watchnet to Oba land. Police investigate the matter for state CID, came to Oguso and see the Oba land, verify, say yes, Oba land is intact. Anti-vice, state CID, the matter is before them. But I'm surprised this November 12, the same people came with Oba Palace motor again, started seizing people property with Oba motor, wheelbarrow, shovel, and everything. That's how. This is not comfort. Oba don't sell these people. These people they are doing legal work. Oba cannot sell these people. They're going to disturb his children. Now I go there with police. I don't go there alone. I go there with police. When they don't see me, they start to rafado me. They beat me. Force me to Oba motor. Take me to the palace. Take me to the palace. Take me to SO office. They took me to the SO office. Now from SO office, that took me out. They started to beat me. Collect all my money. Cut my necklace. My wristwatch. More than 25,000. They took the money. Among all of them, I cannot account for the person that took it because I was beaten mercilessly. Awulo and his boy with Kontisubo and Chike, they started beating me with cutlass and other dangerous things, using gun to be hitting me. The first minute of Oguso finish, that's when they shoot gun, sporadically for Oguso. So that what I tell Edo people, say, if they pay me with the Benin, say Oba Palace now they make shaka. If other people they want try Benin people, that palace will they run they go. Now the palace when they run they go down, people they beat us down for the palace. My father is a subject to Oba. My father is late Chief Osayedo Oba Soham. My senior brother Osawa, he served Omonoba Erediawa for good 10 years for palace there. He senior me. My senior brother is aware about this Oba land. No say yes, we dey protect am. But as of today, the way they take must handle me for palace. Now we might tell the two people that Oba don send all these people. Me Oba Omonoba Nedo EY Ogidiga. These people may check them. May they not go spoil Oba name, spoil palace. Let me so palace big before. I want to say I tell the Benin people be this. Oba talk me, hey, he said.